Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the subtraction. What is meant by subtraction? The process of taking away one number from the other number is called subtraction. We are taking one number from the other number, it is called subtraction. We are taking away some objects from a group of objects. It is also called the subtraction. Suppose see here. In my hand here 10 pens are there. In the 10 pens I am giving 4 pens to Geeta. 4. I am taking 4. I am giving 4 to Geeta. How many pens are left over with my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pens left over with my hand. Here what we did? Yes, we did here subtraction. We are taking away this group of objects. These are some pens. These are group of pens. In that group of pens, I am taking 4 pens. I am giving 4 pens to Geeta. How many pens are left over here? 6 pens are left over. What we did here? We did subtraction. Total 10 are there. In that 4 we are taking. Remaining how many? 6. That means what we did here? We did subtraction. That means the process of taking away one number from the other is called subtraction. Okay children? Okay. Then what is the symbol for subtraction? The symbol for subtraction is minus. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. The symbol for subtraction is minus. Suppose, see, total 27 pens are there with me. In that 12 pens I gave to Harish. Remaining how many pens are there? Remaining here 15 pens are there with me. 12 I gave to Harish. Remaining 15 pens are there with me. Okay. In this 27 is called. We are subtracting the number from the 27. Total how many is there with me? 27. Here we should write the 27. That is called minuend. What we call it is minuend. Next, in that how many I gave to Harish? Yes, 12 pens I gave to Harish. The 12 is called subtrahend. The 12 is called subtrahend. What is meant by minuend? The number from which another number subtracted is called minuend. The number from which another number subtracted is called minuend. That means total how many pens with me? 27. That is called minuend. Total how many is there with me? That is minuend. The number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. Next, this 12 is I gave to Harish now. The 12 is called subtrahend. The subtrahend means the number which is being subtracted. The number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. Here which we subtract? 12 we subtract. The number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. The number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. The number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. Now total 27 pens are there with me. I gave 12 pens to Harish. Remaining how many pens are there with me? Yes, we did subtraction here. A total 7 are there. We have to take up number finger 7. In the 2 I gave. 2 we have taken from here. 1, 2. Remaining 5. 5 I write here. Next here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Total how many is there with me now? 15. That is called difference. What we call it is difference. The answer that we get by subtracting two numbers is called the difference. We did the subtraction of these two numbers, Rama. The subtraction of these two numbers, we get one answer. We did subtraction these two. We get one answer. That answer is called difference of the numbers. Difference of the numbers. Under we are doing subtraction, the smaller number we have to write the down of the larger number. That means the larger number we have to write always to the top up of the smaller number. In the given two numbers, while we are doing subtraction, always we have to write first larger number. That one down we have to write the smaller number. Okay, next one. Each addition fact has two subtraction facts. Each addition fact has two subtraction facts. Each addition fact has two subtraction facts. Suppose for example, see here, 3 plus 5 is equal to how much? 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. For this, we can write two subtraction facts. How we can write? See, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Yes, next, we can subtract this 3 from this 8. We will get another number. Again, we subtract this 5 from 8, we get the other number. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. That means each addition fact has two subtraction facts. One more example. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. How we should write this one? 13 minus 4. How much we will get? 9. Say we have subtract now 9. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Understand? Next one more one. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. Now 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. Now 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. From this addition fact, we are writing two subtraction facts. Next, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Here how we should write, Karima? Yes, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. This is each addition fact has two subtraction facts. Left. How many more than? How many more than? How many more are needed? How many more are needed? How many more are needed? How many more than? How many more are needed? Remind, difference, given away, taken away, left, how many more than, how many more are needed, remind, difference, given away. These are terms are used to do the subtraction. To do the subtraction. If in this any one is there, what we have to do, ma? We have to do the subtraction. Suppose how many taken away? Suppose 10 cakes are there. In that one boy take 3. How many he taken away? He taken away 3. How many are remaining? 7 remaining. There we are using taken away. Left. Suppose 10 cakes are there. In that 3 cakes, 7 cakes are left here. 3 cakes take one boy. How many are left here? 7. There also what we did? Subtraction only. How many more than? How many more are needed and remained? Difference given away. These terms are there. What we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. We have to do the subtraction. Our next topic is properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. First one is, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. The difference is the number itself. First property, when 0 is subtracted. When 0 is subtracted from a number, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. The difference is the number itself. The number itself. Suppose we have to subtract 0 from the any number. Shall we do some example? For example, see, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Shall we do some examples? Suppose 425 minus 0. We are subtracting 0 from this number. How much we are getting? Yes, same number, 425. Same. 3185 minus 0 is equal to 3185. Whatever number we subtracted 0 from that number, we will get the same number. We subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. One more. 24,835 minus 0 is equal to 24,835. Same. 5,62,936 minus 0. If we subtract 0 from this number also, you will get same. 5,62,936. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Now, second one. Second one. When 1 is subtracted from a number, when 1 is subtracted from a number, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the when 1 is the difference is the number before. The difference is the number before. Before number means we know. If we subtract 1, we will get before number. What is now? Yes, it is predecessor. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before. That number before we are getting. That means predecessor. What we will get? Predecessor. It is predecessor. When we get the predecessor, if we subtract 1 from that number, we will get its predecessor. Before number means we will get its predecessor. Suppose see the examples. 297 minus 1 We are subtracting 1 from this number. How much we will get? 297 minus 1, 296. 7 minus 1, 6. 3852 minus 1. Always we have to subtract this 1 from the ones place to mark. 2 minus 1, 1. So 3851. 3852 before 3851. Say 68 lakh 950 68 lakh 68,950 minus 1 is equal to, here also we have to subtract here, but 0 no, we have to take 2 digits. 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1 how much? Yes, 49. So 68,949. Same if we take lakhs number. 2,93,859. 2,93,859 minus 1. Here also we have to subtract from the ones place. 9 minus 1, 8. So 2,93,858. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before. Before number means what we have to get? We will get the predecessor of the number. We will get the predecessor of the number. Next, third one. When a number is subtracted. When a number is subtracted. When a number is subtracted from itself, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is how much itself? The difference we will get 0. The difference is 0. The difference is 0. The difference is 0. If we subtract the number itself, the difference is 0. Suppose, for example, 565 minus 565. How much we will get? We will get the same number subtraction. How much we will get? Yes, we will get 0. 565 minus 565, 0. 8,976 minus 8,976 is equal to 0. That means if we subtract, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. We have to subtract the number itself, we will get always 0. These are the properties of subtraction.